Just the day after the Prime Minister raised concerns on how that industry is faring, officials from the Finance Ministry will be meeting stakeholders of the mutual fund industry on the 2nd of July. That's Monday that's coming. Mrinalini Krishna is joining us with more details. Mrinalini.
Well, after that word from the Prime Minister, Finance Ministry has swung into action and it's going to hold a meeting with all participants of the mutual fund industry on Monday at North Block. Now, the participants will include top 10 CEOs of the mutual fund industry body AMFI, market regulator SEBI, as well as representatives from the exchanges. Now, what this meeting is likely to discuss is the steps or the measures that can be taken to revive the mutual fund industry. Remember, the mutual fund industry has been struggling since for the last few years. Now, the industry believes it's firstly because of the volatility in the capital markets, and secondly also because the distributors of the mutual funds are not being incentivized properly to sell the product, and which is why there is a lack of inflows into the mutual funds. Now, that is something that is likely to be discussed, the incentivization of distributors. Remember, in 2009, SEBI had taken away the entry load on mutual funds, while it had introduced a transaction fee in 2011 that hasn't really trickled into inflows. Another thing that they're likely to talk about is the similarity of the Rajiv Gandhi equity scheme that was talked about in the budget to the existing equity-linked tax-saving mutual funds that are due to lose that tax advantage with the introduction of the DTC. So clearly, the Finance Ministry taking the first step in that direction of resolving issues of the mutual fund industry by way of this meeting on Monday.